so that's where I just came from over there. And hold on. And I just came over into this building. And I guess there's more little cell blocks. Like there's little cots right here in each room. And tell me if you guys can notice a difference in the camera work. I decided that I wasn't going to use my tripod right here, just because there's probably not too much to film in this little building. And I keep putting my camera away every time I go outside. So then if I do get seen, they don't see a camera. Look at this one. This one actually still has a milk carton over here. I'm assuming this was the milk that they would drink while they were here. Jesus, there's like planes and construction work and all that type of stuff outside. And every time I think it's a truck pulling up on me. Got some PTSD from getting detained the other day. There's no cots in these rooms anymore. It looks like they started taking them all out actually and piling them right here. And then so over there at the end is probably where all the cots are, or where they're still in the rooms. Yeah, because these are just all going to be empty all the way to there. And then it looks like this place might go further down that way, but I'm not too sure if there's really anything else in here. Oh, an entrance to the window. I gotta be really careful not to hit my head on anything. Oh, okay, so this is the bathrooms right here, like the sinks. Maybe those are urinals, I'm not even sure. I think that's how urinals are like in prison, to be honest. They just gotta pee in the fucking sink. And then here's the showers this way. What the hell? This is just like some storage back here, some chairs. That's where all the chairs went. Alright, so I just actually found this building that I didn't think I was actually in. Like I walked in and it was just all destroyed. And I turn and I fucking see this, and this is actually one of the rooms I was looking for. The big cafeteria room. I mean, obviously there's nothing in here, but I think just this angle right here looks super cool. And then I was just looking at this box right here too. It says meal count. Nothing in there. Kind of want to check out the other side, because the other side is so clean compared to this side. This one's just all destroyed. Oh look, and this is where they come get their food too. Or maybe they would put their trays right here when they're done eating. I think they would go get their food over there, to be honest. And then maybe, yeah, I think that's where they'd put their trays when they're done eating. And then this slot too. Guys, this side is so clean. Like, I feel like I could eat off some of these tables. Not this one, but maybe this one. And that one, and that one, and that one. These tables are just so clean. This room is just so clean. Like, there's no graffiti. There's nothing here. It's literally just a cafeteria. And, like, it could still be used, honestly. I don't know why they're demolishing all these buildings when... I guess they have to, because they're not going to use them again, but the prisons are getting full. They need room. Why don't they just renovate this place? Holy crap, guys. I just found a church on this complex of buildings, to be honest. There's so many buildings here. I think this is the second church here, because I saw workers on a bigger church earlier today when I was here. At least I think it was the church, but I'm not too sure. And this church doesn't really have that much to show, so I'm just recording this. But look, I found this cross. It was on the ground, actually. You can kind of see a marking where it was laying, but I stood it upright. Thought it might look cool in the background or something like that, but you can't really tell. I'm pretty sure the other church that's here is bigger and it has a second floor that you can stand on and like take pictures from the second floor. So I want to try to go there before it's gone. But I don't know if you guys know this, because you probably don't know this unless you've watched my videos, like all of them, and know that I've never been to one. But I've actually never been to an abandoned church. This is actually really cool. I never really go to church anyways, so just being in any church usually ends up looking really cool to me because churches are always designed, like the architect always makes them look super, super cool. And as you can see, this church is one of them. I mean, look at these arches up here. Just the way it looks, and then when you look like this, just everything about it is nut, guys. The stained glass in the back, it's not too great. I mean, it's just kind of like different colored window panels pretty much, but those lights, even the lights have little crosses on them. There's like no Bible. Oh, what's this? I was gonna say there's no Bibles left in any of the seats, but maybe there's one. I think this is what they would read while they're in church. The New Testament, New Revised Standard Version. I checked all the doors to get in here, and the last one I checked ended up being the way in here. There's some stairs. What the hell? There's other little church rooms here. There's like multiple ones. Well, now I gotta get pictures of every single one. I'm kind of glad I actually walked through this though a little bit more. This one almost looks like it was some sort of like mini court. Nah, never mind. This is still here. This is just all the lyric books and all that type of stuff. There's a sticker to the Whittier Museum. It looks like a lot of these pieces might be going to the museum, so I don't want to touch them really, just in case they're valuable, you know? As I'm opening things that look fragile. Well, let's see if we can get to the second level. I need to turn on my phone light. I need to just put my fucking camera light on top of my camera. But it looks like this door's open. Here. I don't want to get stuck up here, so I need to make sure it doesn't lock. Okay, we chillin'. I don't know why there's a door to get up to this part. Oh, you know what this was actually? This is probably where the choir would stand while they were having mass. And then they'd be singing and like the music would be playing up here. I wonder if this still works. Oh, it's an electrical piano. You can't even see it right now. Hold up. Yeah, dude. This doesn't work. It's an electrical piano. As you can see, it needs to be plugged in. And this place probably doesn't have power. Let's see. Is this a music book? No. Alright guys, so this is the infirmary, I believe. It's like a really small little hospital with just like a little toilet, sink. Shit, I think there's a truck outside this building. I need to get out of here. They're demolishing this one, I think, next. So I need to get out of here as fast as possible, but there's no beds, nothing left. It's just rooms. And it's pretty small too, like this is just it. The end of the hallway is right there, and that's the end of the building. But I thought I'd show you guys this just because this building's probably going to be gone next. It said it was marked for demolition next, and the building next to it was destroyed. So I think this is the last one. Well, not the last one, but I think I might be the last one to get into this building. That right there, over there, that's the church that I was in earlier. And then those are just some housing units. I think that's a hospital right there, so I'm gonna go check that out next actually. Like another little hospital. This was the infirmary. I got that wrong actually. So this was the infirmary. I don't know if there's an actual like hospital on site, but I'm gonna go check out the other building, see if I can get in. And then I think I only got 1 or 2 left after this, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I just found a really sick place, and this place is actually locked, but I found a door with a padlock on it, and then the padlock was unlocked, so I just took the padlock off the door and got in. Yeah, it wasn't locked. It looked like it was locked at first, and I was actually kind of bummed because I thought I wasn't gonna be able to get in here. But check this out. This is a new for me too. Like, I haven't hit an abandoned gym or a church. I've hit a jail once, but that was it. That was just recently when I hit my first abandoned jail. But what I think is actually pretty interesting about this place is the fact that over there it says Go Mustang. So there's an actual team here. I wonder if they competed against like any like neighboring juvenile halls maybe that had other teams, because I don't know who else they would have played unless they're just playing like local schools, but I don't know if schools would let that happen. So they would have guests come here, like other teams would come play here. I don't know who it was. It probably wasn't other juvenile halls, because I don't know if they would want them to leave the premises necessarily, so maybe it was schools. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. It could be either. But check this out too. I noticed this right when I first came in. There's a piano here, and in that church there was an electric piano that didn't work, but this one actually works. I can't play the piano at all. Alright guys, so I just made it into this auditorium room, and quite frankly I think this is going to be the last building I'm going to get into. I'll tell you about that in a second, but I just kind of want to look through this place real quickly. I think this might be a second floor actually, right up there, but I don't know if there's any stairs to get up there from... Oh, there they are in the back. There's some stairs back there. I think that might be for the lighting though. Because I see doors up there, so there's got to be a way to get up there. But I guess not. What the hell? Maybe it's up there, but I don't know. That doesn't make any sense to me. Maybe you just have to climb up there actually, because that's not a door. I thought that was a door. Something back here just fell. Some tape. Oh, I see. So the second floor doesn't even go up to anywhere. I thought... Oh, this stage doesn't feel very safe. Do you hear that creaking, guys? Look, all the lights are still there. All the stage... Well, not all of them, but the stage lights are still there. I want to check out this place as much as possible, too, before I go. And I'm going to talk to you about why I can't go into the last building that I wanted to check out. Oh. So I don't really trust the floor. It kind of is sinking underneath my feet a little bit. But like there's a globe right here. Breaking Bread. I honestly thought that said Breaking Bad. Like an old TV. Broken globe right here. These are empty. Okay, this auditorium is actually really cool. This whole place, I've gotten way more than I thought I would get. Like, way more footage, seen way more, done way more. Got away with way more than I thought. And so this is really cool actually. So I'm gonna get some pictures of this, maybe some extra B-roll, but before I do that, I'm gonna talk to you guys about this because, so I think there's another church that was here. Well, it's still technically here, but not really. See that building right there? I think that used to be a church, but I can't really tell. Maybe it was like an administration office, but I went inside and everyone's working in there right now. They're just demolishing that thing. And if it was a church, it does not look like a church in there anymore. It doesn't even look really cool. It's just completely empty, nothing really cool. And I'm pretty sure if that was a church, people have been in there like 2 days ago and it looked fine. So I just missed it. But I'm glad I got to see all this before it's gone, because this building will probably be gone tomorrow, to be honest. Like, if this one's today, this one's tomorrow. And I think with that said, I'm going to end the video here, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was probably really long. If you stuck around till the end, don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below. If you have any other places you want me to check out anytime soon, hit that subscribe button, put those post notifications on if you don't get notifications about when I upload if you are subscribed, or if you're just subscribing now and you don't want to miss anything. Hit those post notifications button. Hit that post notifications button because yeah, subscription's been really weird. I'm gonna get a little bit quieter now because I just realized I'm echoing in this building. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I love you guys. See you guys.